to my channel. Let's go. Today I'll be doing a chocolate chip pumpkin muffin for you all. It is fall and it's all about the pumpkin here in the US. I experimented with only 3 ingredients, and my spices that I used, I will list them on the screen. So I opted for a yellow cake mix, a pumpkin puree that is unsweetened, and some almond milk. I will combine my puree, my almond milk, and the cake mix, and I will beat this for at least 20 minutes. I did not use any egg. I did not use any oil. The spices I used included mixed spice, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, some almond, and some vanilla. Make sure you beat your cake batter, especially if you're using a cake mix, for at least a good 15 to 20 minutes. Once this starts to get fluffy, then you have beaten this sufficient. There is my finished batter, and I just added some chocolate chip in this because I wanted to. And I just mix this a little. You don't want your batter to be overbeaten. Then I added in my muffin tin. Please remember to set your oven or preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and this took roughly 40 minutes to bake at 350 degrees. I just added some pecan on it because I wanted to, and some additional chocolate chips. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please remember to give your girl a like. Please remember to set your notification bell. Your girl is working so hard on getting these videos out there. Thank you for your support. There are my pumpkin chocolate chip muffins. You too can try this. You too can add your twist to it for your children, for your family. These tasted really good. A really interesting one. Enjoy the fall season, although it's like really cold where I am. Stay tuned for another video. Here I am showing you the moisture, how my muffin came out. It was soft. Stay tuned. See you all soon in my next video.